Hey y'all, welcome back to Just in Time Grilling. Today we're going to make caramel custard AKA Flan. This is a favorite in America, Mexico, but I believe it came from Spain originally. It's very simple recipe. I love it. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing in the recipe. So first, I added half the sugar from the mixture and some water. What you're trying to do is get the sugar to dissolve. This will become a caramel-like substance. All of the caramel sauce is really just melted sugar. You can add other agents to make it thicker, but all of this is just melted sugar. So right now I'm letting it boil. Once it starts to get a brown color, I'm going to take it out, let it cool down. This is going to be the top of my caramel custard. Now it's time to make the flan. Making the flan is also something very simple. It doesn't take many ingredients. First, you're going to add the water. When I have the stove already heated, the rest of the sugar that you had, I always add a package of vanilla sugar. I guess I could add a part of the package, but I choose to just use the whole package. Anyway, a pinch of salt. Just stir this up. Let the sugar dissolve a little bit. Remove it from the heat. And then prepare it for the egg mixture. I love making this dish. It tastes very good. It was something very decorative, and it's something that I've always liked. Many of these recipes are things I've had as a child. I've either eat in a restaurant or at home, and I'm trying to get that taste back. I'm trying to get that flavor. This time period, living away especially, but going through this time period made me realize there's a lot of things that I miss. I wish I would have taken the time to really discover the culture in my area, not only mine, but the cultures around me and the different activities. But now I'm using this time to best possibility to learn all of these things. So it's bringing back the childhood memories. So anyway, I added in after I beat 2 eggs, I'm adding it to the mixture, stirring it up. Now I'm going to add this egg mixture into a oven-proof safe dish inside of the ramekins. Basically, I'm doing a water bath type cooking style with this. So I put it in the oven for a while, let it cook down. That was nice and ready. Now I'm using a knife to cut around it because it's gonna stick. Even though I put a little bit of butter, it's gonna stick to the sides. But I tried to carve it around. I didn't realize some of this liquid fruit was the caramel sauce, but I tried to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, so now I'm using a knife to get it out. It comes right out. And there it is. Yeah. Please like and subscribe to the video.